This is a video module of CamStudio. CamStudio is a free software program that will allow you to screen capture information listed on your screen. To install CamStudio, you will use an executable file and follow the prompts on the screen. Once you install it, you will get an icon located on your desktop that looks like this, and it'll open up to a screen that looks like this. To record, you would press on this button here, which is normally in red. To pause a video, you would select the pause button, and to stop your recording, you would select the stop button. When you start recording, you need to ensure that you click on Options and have it to record your voice by using Record Audio from Microphone. If you want to do a particular region of your screen, you would select Region, and what I've selected is a full screen so that you can see everything on my entire desktop. If you are using a particular program and you only want to show what you're doing on the screen, you can actually select either a window or a fixed region. Once you get finished doing all of your screen annotations or recording your actual video, you would select Stop. And I'm not going to do that at this time because what it will do is it will actually stop this recording. CamStudio will then automatically take you to a screen where you can save the file, and you'll be saving the file as an AVI file. CamStudio comes pre-installed with its own viewer. So once you have finished with your video and you save your video to the videos folder on your desktop, which should be here if you're in Windows 7, what I've done is I've saved all of my videos into a file called Georgia Tech. You can then import your video into a Movie Maker file to create an actual movie that can be later uploaded to YouTube, or you can use the AVI file and just post it to a website of your choosing. There are some effects that you can add. You can actually do add a date and time stamp to your video. You can also do a watermark, but what I've found is that it works best if you just do a regular video with CamStudio, and then if you wanted to add any additional features, to actually take that video and put it into Windows Movie Maker. An example of that would be me clicking on my start button. I'm going to type in Movie Maker in my search bar, select Movie Maker, I'm going to go to Add Videos and Photos, and I already have a sample AVI that I'm going to use, and it's going to be called Test AVI. So I'm going to select that and press Open. What Windows Movie Maker does is it compresses and converts everything over so that it can be in a recognizable format. If I want to add a caption to the actual movie itself, I can click on Caption and type in demo. I can save it where it does not appear for 7 seconds. I can actually let it appear for 2 seconds. If I want to add a title slide to the front, I would click on Title, and I can change this from My Movie to Demo. If I want to end with credits, I can select credits and type in what I would want to do here. And then I can go to the home button, and once I've done all of my annotations and my editing of the video, I can actually click here to save the movie. So that way you can share it with other people, or we can automatically select share to YouTube or to Vimeo. These two will give you the you must have a actual user name and password and account in order to share files on either YouTube or Facebook or Vimeo. So I'm just going to minimize this screen. You provided with a document that explains how to use CamStudio in detail. It's fairly easy to use, and like I said, the main thing that you're going to be using this for is just to get the screen capture as a whole. This is a free program, as I stated, so there's not anything that you would have to actually purchase. There's no additional effects or anything that you would have to purchase or anything like that. If you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me an email and I can answer any of the questions that you might have.